This Berkshire Hathaway HomeServices Florida Realty property video is presented by Crystal Growoski and Kim Lamb. Strategically positioned just off the entrance and off-ramp of Highway 417, this remarkable 7.5+ / acre land parcel boasts optimal accessibility and carries a coveted C2 zoning designation. With approximately 340 feet of road frontage, the property sits at a key junction of State Road 434 and Highway 417, connecting Oviedo, Winter Springs, Lake Mary, Sanford, and Orlando. Its prime location ensures a substantial flow of traffic, given its proximity to these major thoroughfares. Adding to its appeal, the property has successfully completed an environmental Phase 1 assessment, providing additional assurance. A comprehensive site plan is already in place, allocating approximately 6,400 square feet for retail space. Seize this rare opportunity promptly, as locations of this caliber are becoming increasingly rare. Acquiring this prime real estate offers outstanding potential, with the current development reflecting the surrounding area's growth. The region features multiple brand new subdivisions currently under construction, accompanied by thousands of existing homes housing high-income earners, creating a substantial customer base. Don't miss the chance to secure a valuable piece of real estate with exceptional prospects. For more information, review the details below.